Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Here in this video, we are going to work out on the marketing and promotion strategies for the Amazon Kindle. Like how you can promote your books, how can you work out on your book, how you can have sales, how you can get increase in your sales, how you can have more traffic on your sales, and what are the things through which you can promote your books, and what are the things Amazon is providing you for free for promotion of your books, for promotion of your Kindles, all these sort of things. So we are going to check out all these things. Amazon provided us for the promotion of our books and the things we can use by ourselves to promote our books. So let's begin. The first thing is when you publish your book on Amazon Kindle, while publishing, you will see few options. Like they will give you an option like you want to provide your book under the KDP Select option or not. KDP Select is a free Kindle program that gives you the opportunity to reach more readers and earn more money at no additional cost. Like it's totally free. You can use it for free. All authors and publishers, regardless of where they live, are eligible to enroll their Kindle books in KDP Select. Like KDP Select is something Amazon is providing you to promote your book for free of cost. It doesn't depend on your country and where you belongs to and all these sort of things. Like we are from Pakistan and we are able to use this feature, and it has no such restriction that we are not allowed to use this option because we are in some country that doesn't support something like this. So we are allowed to use KDP Select wherever we are living. So it has no such concern about things. And second thing is it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything to Amazon for using this option. So let's see what are the benefits of KDP Select. The benefits of KDP Select: reach more readers and earn more money at no cost. Ability to enroll a single Kindle book or your own Kindle catalog, like your whole catalog. When you use this option, you are going to have the ability to enroll your single book. Like it depends on you. You want to enroll your simple single book, or you want to enroll your whole catalog or whole thing. Make your Kindle book eligible for 70% royalties, earning on sales to customers in Brazil, Japan, India, and Mexico. Like it is something you are providing or you are making your book eligible for the countries like Brazil, Japan, India, and Mexico for 70% royalties. Else it will be 30%. But when you use KDP Select option, you are choosing your royalties of 70%. Inclusion in the Kindle Unlimited KU program with possibility to earn a share of the KDP Select global funds. Like when you use this KDP Select thing, your book will get included in the KDP Unlimited program with the possibility to earn a share of KDP Select global funds. Like when you use KDP Select, your book will get included or get added in KU, like Kindle Unlimited, and there are the chances that you can earn your money or you can have sales from KDP Select global funds. The last thing is access to promotional tools. Like when you choose the KDP Select thing, you will get access to promotional tools like Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions. Kindle Countdown deal is something like, let's say you published a book and you can make your book available for like countdowns, like this book is available for like say let's say your book is of $10. Now you can use countdown deals or something like this for like you can buy my book for first 5 days at cost of $5, $3 or something like that. Another thing is you can use a tool like, or you can use an option like um, you can say pre-launch option. Like you can say my book will be available at dollar 5 for first 10 days or for first 3 days, so you can buy my book and all these sort of things. It depends on you how you want to use this option. So it is the countdown deal. Then, what are the requirements to enroll in KDP Select? Have exclusive rights for the primary content of the Kindle book. Like when you use a KDP Select option, you are giving whole rights, all total kind of rights to Amazon, that your book will be only available on Amazon and it's exclusive. You are not allowed to publish your book or sell your book on other places or at different marketplaces or websites or something like that. So when you are using KDP Select option, you are giving Amazon the exclusive rights that your book will be only available on Amazon, not on any other places. So that is the content is not public domain. Like it has only Amazon has only the rights to sell that book. The second thing is make your Kindle book exclusive to Kindle store for KDP select enrollment period 90 days. Like when you publish your KDP book or any book on Amazon Kindle, you will get 90 days of promotion. Like you have to use your promotion or free promotion tools within 90 days. Like it depends on you. You want to use for the like it has a 7 day duration, 7 days, like something like that. So uh, you are allowed to use those 7 days within 90 days. Like for the you can sell your you can use your free tool for the first 3 days, and then within 90 days you have to utilize the rest of the quota you got. Like for the first 3 days you will use that, and after 7 days or 8 days you can use the rest of your quota, or it depends on you. After 15 days or after 20 days you want to use or utilize that quota. You can continue to distribute your paperback or any other format you may have. So the thing is, for the ebook, like you can say the Kindle uh, kind of thing, you are not allowed to publish that on any other platform. But your paperback, that is something you can sell or you can distribute on other places. Like you can do it on regular form, like through the bookshops, or you can sell it on other platforms like print on demand sites or something like that. But you are not allowed to publish your ebook version on any other platform. Then there is a thing like royalties in Kindle Unlimited. You are eligible for royalty payment for Kindle Unlimited, KU or abdominant Kindle in France. For pages an individual customer reads in your book for the first time. Now there is a thing like abonnement Kindle in France. The people in France have some legal issues regarding to um, royalties and all these sort of things. So it is bit different for the people in France. Like most of the things are same, but the uh, like you can say royalties thing is bit different for them as compared to other people. So the royalty thing is like a customer can read your ebook as many times as they like, but we will only pay you, like Amazon will only pay you for the number of pages read the first time the customer reads them. It may take months for customers to read pages in your ebook, but no matter how long it takes, we will still pay you once it happens. This is true even if your KDP select enrollment period has expired and you choose not to re-enroll. Now, let's say a person bought a book from you, an ebook. Now, how it depends. You will get paid when the person reads your book for the first time. Like there are 40 pages on your book. Sorry, in your book. Now, a person reads the first page, second page, third page. Let's say from 40 pages, the person reads 15 pages for the first time. You will get paid for the 15 pages he or she read for the first time. Now let's say person left that book for 1 month or 2 months or a year, and he came back and like he wants to revise that thing, like what happened in the book in the start and all these sort of things, and he started again to read that book, and he read 10 pages again for the first time, first 10 pages. Now you will not get paid for the 10 pages he read, because that is considered as a second time revision or second time read. You will get only paid when a person read any book for the first time. This is the first thing you have to keep in mind. Then, as we know that the duration of this thing is 90 days. So, when your subscription or something like that ends, and someone bought your book already and is reading slowly or something like that, or what happens, or someone read it after so long, or like a year or months, or whatever happens, you will get a payment for that unique reads, no matter you are enrolled in KDP Unlimited or not, or your subscription expired or not. You will get paid for the unique reads by that person. So this is a crisp, a free crisp, you can say, you will get from Amazon. Now, the second thing is you will get only royalty payment for Kindle Unlimited. Amazon will pay according to the same payment schedule and payment method you selected for your other KDP sales. The share of fund allocated to each country varies based on a number of factors such as exchange rates, customer reading behavior, and local subscription price. Author earnings are then determined by their share of total pages read up to total of 3,000 pages per customer per title. The thing is, Amazon will pay you royalties according to the country you are located, then the exchange rates, then the number of pages a person is reading, then local subscriptions, like everyone who is reading on Amazon Kindle, he or she has to buy subscriptions or something like that. So each and everything depends on these three or four factors I have mentioned. Now, for example, these are the things for your understanding. Author with a 100-page ebook that was borrowed and read completely 100 times would earn $1,000. That is $10 million multiplied by 10,000 pages for this author divided by 100,000 and 1,000 total pages. Then author of 200-page ebook that was borrowed and read completely 100 times would earn $2,000, 10,000, $10 million multiplied by 20,000 pages for this author divided by 100,000 total pages. Author of a 200 pages ebook that was borrowed 100 times but only read halfway. through an average would earn dollar 1,000, like half and half. It was 200 and read for 100 times, and it was 200 and read for 100 times. The earning was dollar 2,000 because the total pages were 200 and read whole pages, and this was the 200 and read 100 of pages, like half of it. So it will be the same as this of 100. Then what are the things that are not allowed? Amazon do not permit authors to offer or participate in marketing that that incentives Kindle Unlimited customers to read their. Amazon do not permit authors to offer or participate in marketing that incentives Kindle Unlimited customers to read their ebook in exchange for compensation of any kind. This includes payment whether in the form of money or a gift certificates, bonus content, entry to the contest, or sweepstakes, discounts on future purchases, extra products, or other gifts. Now, here are the few things you have to keep in mind that Amazon don't allow the artificial behavior of promotion. Like, uh, if someone wants to sell his book or her book, you are not allowed to um, say someone that I will pay you money and you can read my book and you can leave a review or something like that, or you cannot offer someone the gifts in reward of some readings and something like that. You are not allowed to give future discounts or something like that. Like, in short, you are not allowed to have some artificial behavior, some illegal things for your sales or for having reads on your book, for having reviews and all these sort of things. So you have to keep in mind that these things are not allowed on Amazon Kindle. After that, with the Kindle Unlimited. With Kindle Unlimited, customers can read as many ebooks as they like and keep them as long as they want for a monthly subscription fee. Like, Kindle Unlimited is a subscription where people can read your books as much as they can. Like, there is no limit, like you have to read 10 books or you have to read 15 books, and after that you are not allowed to read any more book. So it is not something like that. You are allowed to, you are free to read as much books as you want to. And then you have an option like you can keep your book. There is a library thing, like you can add as much books as you want and you can keep your books as much as you want to. Like, there is no duration or there is no restriction, like you have to keep one book, or you have to keep your 20 books for 1 month and after that we will remove your book. So this is not something like that Amazon have. You can keep as many books as much as you want and for an unlimited duration. They don't need to be on Amazon. They don't need to be Amazon Prime members. Like, for having these few offers, like having books and reading books for durations and all these sort of things, you are not. There is no something like no restriction to be a member of Amazon Prime. Kindle Unlimited or Bournment Kindle in France is a subscription service currently available to customers in, like, the Kindle Unlimited subscription or the Bournment Kindle in France. These services are only available for these countries: United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Spain, Brazil, France, Mexico, Canada, Germany, India, Australia, Japan. Except these, you are not allowed to have the Kindle Unlimited subscription or abonnement in Kindle in France. Like, obviously, abonnement Kindle is in France and KU is for these countries. To be included in the Kindle Unlimited, you must meet the KDP select requirements as we discussed above. So, and enroll your book in the KDP Select. If you plan to run a Kindle countdown deal once you are enrolled in the KDP Select, the price of your ebook must not change for 30 days, even you if you renew your KDP Select enrollment during that time. Now, if you want to enroll in the KDP or in Kindle Unlimited program, you have to um fulfill the requirements of KDP Select as we discussed above. And then you have to enroll your book in the KDP Select program. And how to enroll, I already mentioned that while publishing, you will see an option of KDP Select, and you have to mark that option as tick, so your book will be enrolled in that section. And it is only for the ebooks. You are not able to enroll your paperbacks for the KDP Select program and all these sort of things. And the countdown deals are for the KDP Select thing. Then the price you once, like say you are publishing your book and you made it for $30 or $10 or $5, whatever the price is. Once you have selected that thing, you are not allowed to change your price for the first 30 days, like for 30 days, no matter you renewed your subscription or something like that, or edited or whatever the things are. You are not allowed to change your uh, price for the 30 days. How customers get your book? When customers subscribe to KU, Kindle Unlimited is KU, they will see a badge next to your KDP Select enrolled ebook indicating the ebook is available in KU. They can also visit Amazon's Kindle Unlimited page and see available ebooks there. Now, those customers who bought the subscription of KU, like Kindle Unlimited, when they want to buy some book, they can simply go to Amazon Kindle Unlimited page and they can buy any book from that page, because that page holds all of the books that are enrolled in KDP Kindle Unlimited page that are the part of the KDP Select program. But if someone don't want to go on Amazon Kindle Unlimited page and he wants to buy a book from a random normal page and things like that, if the person is a member of KDP Unlimited, sorry, Kindle Unlimited Select Kindle Unlimited subscription and he holds that subscription, he will see a badge with the books that are enrolled in KDP Select or KDP that are the part of the KDP unlimited program and all these sort of things. Like you opened Amazon and you wrote something like that, health books or something like that. Now a list of books will open in front of that person, and the books that are the part of Kindle Unlimited or Kindle Select program, that will have a badge in front of them, and the person will know that these are the books he can buy from that subscription and he can add those books in his library. Abonnement Kindle. What is abonnement Kindle? Like we have read it lots of times in the before. So let's see what is abonnement Kindle. On December 9, 2015, Kindle Unlimited changed slightly in France. These changes do not impact your royalties. It is now called abonnement Kindle, like the people in France, for them. In 2015, um, Kindle changed their basically their, you can say, their laws or something like that for people of France. It has a no direct thing, like you can say there is no direct impact on royalties and something like that, but they have changed their, you can say, name for them. According to the new system implemented Following the recommendations of the book mediator, subscribers residing in France get reading credits when they pay their subscription. Now, this is the change we were talking about, like why they made this name for them. Sorry. The recommendations of the book mediator, subscribers residing in France, the people who bought this subscription or something like that, in France, they will get paid or in the form of, you can say, credits when they bought subscription. Like if someone in France bought this, buys this subscription, you can say abonnement Kindle, they will get free credits for this subscriptions. These credits are utilized among all the subscribers residing in France, which allows all subscribers living in France to read a large number of ebooks included there in their subscription. In the context of this new system, authors and publishers established in France have to set a price per reading unit on KDP per page read for their ebook included in the abonnement Kindle. Right? For the people apart from France, they just buy, what happens is they just buy subscription, they read books, and they can add books in their library and keep them, and all this happens. Now for the people in France, what happens, they have to buy subscriptions, and in this regard they will get a return of free credits, you can say the bonus or something like that. And what happens, they have, when they read book or when they subscribe or something like that, they have to set a price. Sorry. So in France, people have to people and authors, readers, publishers, authors, they have to set a price per reading unit, like per page. You can say $0.1 or 0.1 cent or 0.3 cents or something, $1, $2, whatever the things are. They have to set a price per reading unit for their ebooks included in the abonnement Kindle. Like for the other things, it is Kindle Unlimited and all these sort of things, or KDP Select, we can say that. But for the people in the France, they have the abonnement Kindle program. They have to buy this subscription, and they will get a reward, or you can say a return in the form of credits. And the publishers and the authors in the residing in the France, they have to set a, you can say, pricing unit or price per unit or price per the read unit. So this is all about abonnement Kindle. Now we have the Kindle Unlimited. Kindle countdown deals. First, we read about the KDP Select programs. Now we have Kindle Countdown deals. Like, what is the countdown deal? Kindle Countdown deals, KCD, is a KDP Select benefit. Like, as I told you in the start, when we enroll our book in the KDP Select program, we will get, or we will get some rewards as for the free promotions, for the marketing and all these sort of things. So Kindle Countdown deal is a part of that thing. It lets authors, no matter the location, run limited time discounts for, that is the limited time discounts as I mentioned above, for ebooks available on Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk. The promotion is exclusive to ebooks only. I already mentioned this thing, that you are not allowed to use this feature for, in fact, you are not allowed to use any of these features, like any of these benefits, for the paperbacks. These all benefits are for the ebooks. Customers will see both the regular price and the promotional price on the ebooks detail page. Like as we normally see that, we only we will see both prices for the, for the product, like what was the price before the discount and after discount, what is the price. current price, as well as the countdown clock. Like we can also see the clock countdown, like for how many days. Like you made a countdown deal for like 10 days. Like for 10 days my book is available for $2 or $3, or in fact you can give away book like for free, that for $10 for 10 days my book will be freely available on amazon.com or .uk, and you can get my book, read my book, and all these sort of things. So with that thing, when a person or when a customer visits your book, he or she will see a countdown like that. 10 from 10 days, 8 days are left, or 2 days are left, or whatever the time you have set. How much I have done? You will also continue to earn your selected royalties rate on each sale during the promotion. This is something for the, like you will earn your royalties still when your book is available for the countdown deals. If you are located in a territory not supported to purchase from Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk, you may not see your Kindle countdown deals promotion listed on your ebooks detail page, as it's only available to customers who can purchase from Amazon.com or .uk. Now this is something same as I mentioned above. Like if you are in a territory where you are not allowed to buy a book, or you are not allowed to uh, have something like that. I already mentioned the countries which are the part of this whole thing. Like, or you can say in simple words that if you are living in a country like we are in Pakistan and we don't have such facility, like we cannot buy books from Amazon, so we can say it for ourselves that we will not see the countdown deal ads for our books. Benefits of Kindle countdown deals. They are time based. Like time based, you have you can say like they are time dependent. Like you have to mention time duration, and you will run this ad for yourself. Not only does this give you more control over how long your ebook is discounted, but the time remaining for the promotion is visible to customers to increase excitement for the price discount. Like in this thing, if you want to earn some royalties, you can make a deal for the price. Like if your book is of $10, you can send it for $1 or $2 or $3. So people can have an excitement like this book is at this cost. This book was very expensive, let's say this book was very expensive and now it's on a deal and we are having offer and at very low cost, so let's buy it. This is something. And if you want to have reviews for your books, let's say you can sell your book at free deal. Like it was at $10 and now it's for free and you can buy this for free. So it's up to you what your strategy is. Customers see the regular price. It's easy for customers to see the great deals they are getting, as the regular price is included on the book's detail page right beside the promotion price. As I mentioned that with this countdown deal, the people will be able to see the normal price and the discounted price. So they can have this thing, excitement and all these sort of things that this book was $10 and now it's for free or for that much low cost. Let's buy it and whatever the things are. Royalty rate is retained at lower prices. You will earn royalties based on your regular royalty rate and the promotional price. Like you have to keep this thing in mind. You will earn royalties based on your regular royalty rate and the promotional price. Like if you selected the thing as for 70%, you will get benefit of that thing. As a result, if you are using the 70% royalty option, you will earn 70% even the price is below to $2.99. Now here the thing is, If you are use, it depends on, like, in simple words, it's like whatever the cost was. Like, let's say the cost was, the price was $15, the normal regular price of your book, and you made it discounted at the cost of, like, say 2.99 or 1.99. So, and you selected 70% royalties. Now here the thing is, you will get the royalties percentage of 70% no matter how much cost you have made for the discounted thing. So here the thing is, you will get the percentage of royalties for the new cost. Like, your cost, new discounted cost is 1.99, you will get 70% royalties from that 1.99. After that, there is a dedicated website. Customers can discover active Kindle countdown deals. As we saw above, for the Kindle Unlimited, um, like, there is a separate page for the Kindle countdown deals. You can visit those that page for buying the bundles and for buying the books from that section. Like, if you don't want to, and if you are not sure, like, which books are in, like, it's not about not sure thing. Like, if for the normal website, you will see, like, how I find, or how I scroll for those books, and you will see on normal site, you will see all books, and with the badge you can see these books and all these sort of things. But with the Kindle countdown deals page, you can see each and every book that falls for the Kindle Countdown deal. You don't have to worry about, like, is this the part of, like, you have to, there is no need to scroll down, and you don't have to worry about, like, I have to scroll 40 pages or 20 pages for finding the books that will be a part of Countdown deal and all these sort of things. In Kindle Countdown deals, you will see all the books that will be the part of Countdown deal. You can monitor performance in real time. Your KDP report will display sales and royalties at each price discount, sided by sided with pre-promotion performance. So with this, you can see, you can have a real-time experience of sales and reports and royalties and each thing you want to see. Eligibility of requirements for the KDP countdown deal. You can only add the promotion for listings on Amazon.com and .uk. Titles enrolled in KDP Select on Amazon.com and .uk are eligible for Kindle countdown deals if their list prices fall within these limits. Like, for Amazon, in simple words, if your book is published in Amazon.com and .uk, your book is eligible to be the part of Amazon Kindle countdown deals. And now the price thing. If your book is between $2.99 to 24.99 on Amazon.com, and for UK 1.99 to 15.99, so including VAT. If your book falls in these two things, then you are eligible to enroll your book for the countdown deals. Now, title has been enrolled in KDP Select for at least 30 days. Like, it's obvious, for the countdown deals, you have to be the part of KDP Select program for at least 30 days. Digital list price is unchanged for 30 days before or 14 days after Kindle Countdown deal runs. Like, we have already mentioned this thing, that we are not allowed to change, or we don't have to change the price 30 days before or after your Kindle Countdown deal. That, like, you have to run countdown deal at before and after 30 days or 14 days of your countdown deal startup, or you can say when it works to You are not allowed to change the price of the book. Minimum discount is $1 USD on Amazon.com and £1 on Amazon.co.uk. Like you can give the minimum discount on these, something like that. Maximum duration of Kindle countdown deal is 7 days. The minimum duration is 1 hour. Like I already mentioned in start, uh, the minimum duration. My throat is just so choked. Sorry, minimum discount. What's happened? Maximum duration of a Kindle countdown deal is 7 days. Like for the 7 days, you are allowed to run the countdown deal, and for the minimum time, if you want to say like what is the minimum duration for the countdown deal, that is the 1 hour. Duration you can choose will run as a single promotion. You cannot split into multiple durations. Like you have to go for the one go. Like you are not allowed to split in different durations. Maximum number of price increment is 5. No free promotion has been run for title during a KDP select term. You can run either a free promotion or a Kindle countdown deal. Like no free promotion has been run for titles. Like title means your book. You can say that. You are not allowed to run, or you cannot run the free promotion. Like at a time you have to run, or you have to go with one free promotion. Like you have to go with the Kindle countdown deal, or you have to go with the free promotion. Like like you can say, when you chose your book for the Kindle select program, in that duration of 90 days you are allowed to go with the Kindle countdown deal, or you can go for the free promotion. Kindle countdown deals must be scheduled 24 hours before desired start date, as far in advance as you want. For example, to begin promotion on January 10th, you can schedule it any time before January 8th. Like before, let's say you want to run Kindle countdown deal, and you want to launch your deal at, like you can say, on 10th. So you have to schedule that thing before 24 hours. Like you don't have to uh, go on, like you want to run your deal or ad for this countdown deal on 10th, and you are not going to do that before 10 minutes or before 12 hours and all these sort of things, or on same date. You have to do this before 24 hours. Kindle countdown deals are limited to one per KDP select term. Sorry, this. The latest end time for your Kindle countdown deal promotion is 14 days before your KDP select period ends. If you renew your ebook in KDP select for another exclusive executive 90 days, sorry, consecutive 90 days period, the latest end time for your Kindle countdown deal can fall on the last day of your current KDP select period. If your book is enrolled in KDP Select, the digital format must be exclusive to Amazon during the entire enrollment period. When a book is determined not exclusive to Amazon, any scheduled Kindle countdown deal will be cancelled. As we mentioned above, if your book is the part of KDP Select program, all rights will be the exclusive for Amazon. You are not allowed to publish your ebook on any other platform, on any other print on demand site, on any other place, because that will be the sole rights for the Amazon.com or .uk and whatever the things are. After this, we have the KDP Select All Stars program. If you enroll your ebook in KDP Select, you are eligible for the KDP Select All Star bonus. Now, This is another gift from Amazon for you. If your book is a part of KDP Select program, then you are eligible for the KDP Select All Star bonus. In addition to paying royalties from the Amazon from the Kindle Select Global Fund, each month we award all star bonuses to books and authors that are read the most in Kindle Unlimited. If you enrolled your book in Kindle Select program, and your book is the one that is read more or the most read book um, in Kindle Unlimited program, then that Amazon will grant you or will award you the stars bonus. Hmm. All-star recipients are also eligible for all-star badges on their book details pages. Anyone with the title in KDP Select, even a brand new author, is eligible. Like for this thing, you don't have to be a old author or the person who sells from long ago, from long term, and all these sort of things. If you are a new seller and you have something very good, some productive thing that people are reading it again and again, and it's more in demand, and it's the most read book in KDP Unlimited or Kindle Unlimited, then Amazon will grant you all stars bonus, and that will be a kind of badge that will be showed or displayed on the book details pages where people can see this and all these sort of things. We award all-star bonuses to authors and titles that provide our customers the best reading experience based on how much they read in K. Like if you are providing a great book, if you are providing in some great content to the authors, to the sorry, not authors, to the clients, to the customers, to the readers, and it is the most read book in Kindle Unlimited, then Amazon will award you this stars. Authors who publish books together are considered a single author for the purpose of KDP All Select bonuses. We email the award winners. So, if there are three people who are selling books collectively on Amazon and they have different accounts, like there are three people who are selling on Amazon with their own accounts and they published a book collectively, combinedly, and published on one account from one account. Like there are three people having their own accounts selling their own books. Now there is one book they worked on together and they published that book from one account, and they mentioned names of all of them, and all these sort of things. Now, what Amazon will do? Amazon will consider that book or that thing as done by the single author, and that for the KDP select bonuses, and that will be the reward for that one person, and award winners will get emails and all these sort of things. To be eligible for All Star bonus, you must claim your title on your author central page, and you must be in the compliance with our content guidelines. Violations of our policies and guidelines may result in loss of eligibility for programs such as KDP Select All Stars. For this purpose, like for being eligible for the bonus, you have to create your author central page and you have to add your book on your author central page. And the violation and all these sort of things will be the reason of loss in the eligibility of all stars bonus. Like if you want to earn KDP, you have to read the violations, rules, and all these sort of things. So you are kind of aware from what are the things you don't have to do on Amazon. So there will be no violations, no such violations on Amazon. And if you are, and what are the things through which you can get benefit, and what are the things Amazon don't like, and what are the things Amazon um, can can make your account ban and all these sort of things. KDP select all-star bonuses by marketplaces. Like for these three marketplaces, you are able to claim your title for, like for .com, for .uk, and for DE. Illustrated Kids Bonus Books. The top 100 most read illustrated kids books in the US and the top 25 in the UK will receive illustrated kids book bonus. Like for the .com and for .uk. If your book is in top 100 illustrated kids books in the US and in top 25 in UK, you will get illustrated kids books bonus. Kids book bonuses will be awarded based on the total KU pages read for the first time by KU customers during the month. As we discussed above, like it depends on how many pages. KU is Kindle Unlimited. Like how many times a person read uniquely your book pages. Like for the first time, you can say it is something like that. The total count of unique reads on your book. We will email the rewards to authors and all these sort of things. To participate, illustrated kids books must be classified as children books. Like for if you want to be in this category and if you want to be get reward in this category, your book has to fall in the category of children's book in Kindle store. Be intended for young children learning to read and have illustrations integral to the book's storyline. Like if you want to be part of children books illustration bonus and all these sort of things, your book must be the part of your, you can say your book has to be fall in the categories of children book in the Kindle bookstore, and your book has to be your book has to be the, you can say, part of thing through which children can learn things and have illustrations that belongs to the storyline. Like if you have a comic book, or if you can say a storybook and all these sort of things, your book has the illustrations from um, illustrations that belong to that story. You are not allowed to just put random illustrations to get this award and all these sort of things. And the second thing is your book has to be the reason of some learning for the children. So you have to keep this in mind. Add a countdown deal. To add your promotion, go to the market. This is a process through which you can add a countdown deal for your ebooks. Go to the marketing tab. Like when you will log into your account, there will be few tabs, the bookshelf and all these sort of things. You have to go on the marketing tab. In the run a price promotion, select Kindle countdown deals, click create a Kindle countdown deal, select your ebook and click continue. Enter your selections for the marketplace, like go.com, .uk and all these sort of things. Add the time and date, number of price increments, and starting price. The default the default marketplace is set to Amazon.com. Click continue. A table will appear. Edit it as needed. Make sure it's how you want the promotion to run. Price increments and start times. Click add promotion. Once you add your promotion, it will appear on your book details page on the KDP Select Benefits tab. Change or cancel a promotion. Once a Kindle countdown deals promotion is scheduled, it cannot be edited or stopped within 24 hours before it begins, nor during the time while it runs. Like you are not able to cancel your promotion before 24 hours. It will finish according to the schedule you originally set for it. This is to ensure a positive experience for customers, especially those who notice the promotion has started but have not made a purchase yet. Also, to ensure the most compelling value for buying customers, we require that ebooks offered through Kindle countdown deals promotions stay at a stable price when a promotion is coming up or has recently ended. Before your regular list price cannot be changed for 30 days before and after 14 promotion runs. So this is all about how to do or how to run countdown deals. And the thing is, you cannot cancel your deal before 24 hours and after, sorry, and you cannot change the price of your book before 30 days or after 14 days of promotion runs. Now, royalties and reports. You will earn royalties based on the royalty rate you have selected, like 70% or 35%. These are the two rates we have on Amazon for the royalties. And the promotional price. As described on the pricing page, net of refunds, bad debt, and any VAT sales or other taxes charged to the customers are applied with respect to the sales to the customers. 35 royalty plan. You will be paid 35% of the promotional list price. For example, if your book has a regular list price of $9.99 and a promotion list price of $8.99, you will earn 30%, 35% of 8.99 or 3.15. Let's say your book has a price of $9.99 and you have selected 35% of royalty plan, then you will earn the 35% of your selected price. In the same way, if you selected the 70% royalty plan, you will get like this. You can see you will be paid based on 70% royalty plan using promotional list price to determine the amount. For example, if your ebook has a regular list price of $4.99 and one of your promotional list price is $1.99, you will earn 70% multiply by $1.99 because this is the promotional price, list price, like the countdown, you can say countdown price, minus 0.15 multiply by file size even if the price is below the 70% royalty minimum outlined on the price page. So this is all about the royalties and reports. This is how people can see about Kindle Unlimited. Like if a book is enrolled in Kindle Unlimited, you can see this with that book, like Kindle Unlimited badge, Kindle Unlimited title, and you can see all these sort of things. Next is free book promotions. I think the video is getting so long, so I have to cover this in the next video. If you have any kind of questions, any kind of queries, and if you want to make me any videos on any other topics or the things which are not clear for you, you can inbox me, you can tag me in the group, ecom group, ESP. You can mention me on those posts, and like I'm always available for your help. So till then, peace out. Have a good day. Happy Kindle.